MAGA is sharpening its scissors to trim two major healthcare laws: Biden's Inflation Reduction Act and Obama's Affordable Care Act. And what's on the chopping block? Protections that keep health insurance affordable and ensure pre-existing conditions don't skyrocket premiums. The GOP also thinks it's time to ditch Medicare's right to negotiate prescription drug prices. And that was a hard-fought win for millions of us by President Biden. MAGA U.S. Representative Buddy Carter called it the worst legislation in a decade. What the f does he know? Isn't this a great example of MAGA? They claim to be for the working class, but they are for big business and taking from us without us getting anything in return. Big Pharma is probably popping champagne at the mere thought of having MAGA back in charge. So before the ACA, insurers, they could deny coverage based on pre-existing conditions, everything from diabetes to sleep apnea. And if MAGA gets its way, we're going to return to that medieval time with millions potentially facing denied claims or crazy premiums. JD Vance chimed in with some concepts about healthcare. He said, let the healthy and sick swim in separate risk pools. The translation, make it impossible to cover pre-existing conditions fairly. If MAGA pulls this off, 129 million Americans could be at the mercy of insurers deciding what counts as pre-existing condition. Long COVID, mental illness, it's a long list and it's getting longer. Here's the thing, MAGA is clearly looking out for who will line their pockets with the green because they are corrupt motherfucking terrorists. If we want to really make America great again, they need to be